Welcome to April. It's raining.
Hello.
It's still raining. Yeah, we haven't left the house since 2018.
Let's do this.
Let's unbox this wine.
We have some wildflower mix. Choose a place that gets good sun.
Oh.
6 hours a day.
Not Northern California.
Not right now.
Great. Okay.
Wow.
A bunch of white wine. What are we getting?
That looks like Weingut.
Weingut.
German.
Well, Alto Adige.
This is the most widely planted grape in the Alto Adige.
Can I say something about Alto Adige?
Yeah.
Very, very far northern Italy.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, almost Germany.
Okay. How could Americans be interested in this tart and light-bodied red? I am so intrigued.
Yeah. So there's been a big push lately. There's like a trend, like it's becoming more and more trendy to do light reds, high acid.
This wine is simply beautiful to look at, and it truly is. Not quite a rosé, but somewhere between a pale garnet and a red sockeye salmon in color. Bitter
Wow.
orange peel, alpine strawberries, hibiscus, and powdered dark cocoa.
So not a rosé,
No, this is delicious.
right?
Yeah.
So in body and aromatics, a little more like maybe a Pinot Noir.
Pinot.
Oh yeah, I think so too.
Pinot.
Yeah.
Moving on, Blauburgunder.
Nailed
Blauburgunder.
it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, in German literally means blue burgundy or sometimes Spätburgunder.
Spätburgunder, which is,
And in Italian it's called Pinot Nero.
and in France it's called Pinot Noir.
Pinot Noir. All right, this is the kind of Pinot that gets me all giddy.
Yep.
This is Kevin talking. The nose is dried flowers and a touch of clove and a slightly smoky whiff of roasting coffee beans. Perhaps this goes down a little too easy.
This is the part of Italy where you're like, no, Italian wines, I don't like Italian wines. I'm more like into
Oh!
Anderson Valley or Russian River Valley, or, you know, I like light aromatic whites or elegant reds. Italy has it all. And I've lost Jodee.
You might want to go get your own glass.
You got my glass. Amazing. Italian Pinot.
All right, so we're doing the Kerner,
Kerner.
a white grape variety that is actually a cross between Riesling and a very light-skinned red grape called Grenache.
Also
Or
known-
Shava,
Or
okay.
Shava, which is the first one we had.
Kerner
So
is
Kerner
one
is a Riesling and a Shava crossing.
of a few successful Riesling hybrids from Germany in 1969, and as you might imagine, is easily recognized by its delightfully floral aromatics.
Can you imagine that?
An
Je ne sais
alpine
quoi.
wine through and through. I'll even go so far as to say that if you close your eyes, you can taste the freshly fallen snow.
I'll get that.
We're done with the snow, Kevin. And lastly,
Ooh, I can't pronounce that one. You're on your own.
it's a Gruner. I like Gruner.
Oh.
This is exciting because, I mean, I love Italian wines, but this is feeling like we're getting some German influence, which
Yeah.
I love too.
Yeah, and Grün is classic Austrian.
Half Italian, half German, so this is certainly a grape variety you
They're
may
close.
be familiar with as an Austrian native. Austrian Gruner is also a wine that has two very different reputations.
Oh, it has two reputations.
Either cheap and chuggable.
Yes.
That's usually what I do. So this
So-
is not the chug-a-lug soda top. Sorry. Cut
Derailed.
that, please. Sometimes it's the easy drinkers that bring joy to people's palates, but it was my first Gruner Veltliner that made me into a believer and true appreciator of the complexities of white wines. That's interesting, Kevin. This one reminds me of that experience to a T. This wine, by contrast, is mineral forward. Think of a mountain spring water rolling over granite and flint.
I like that we both took a moment to think about that.
Great job on the April wines, Bergamot.
Yeah, we did Marquet last month, and this is Alto Adige.
Love this variety.
Yeah.
You have not joined Bergamot Wine Company.
What do you?
Wine Club.
The hell
What
are you waiting for?
Seriously.
Jinx. Poke. Weingut Niklas Alto Adige Schiava.
No, it's Schiava.
Schiava? Jesus, he's right. Schiava.